Okay, welcome to updating the Teke Tube to version 15. So let's take a look at this one here. This is running version 14.4 Hoshi. And so if we go to update LED, this is going to come up here, and we're going to grab the latest binary by clicking on this link. That's going to open up GitHub, and we're going to scroll down past that pre-release. This is the latest. And so this gives you an explanation of everything that's changed. And we have to go through and grab the one that we need, which is going to be this one. That goes into our downloads, and then we can go back here and choose our file. There's our brand new file right there, and then we'll hit update. This won't blow out any of the settings or anything, and it will reboot in a moment right back to the other page. So let's just give it a minute here. There's our reboot. And now we're back onto the page. I'm going to go ahead and let them have some information. Why not? Okay, now we'll go back to info and we'll check. Our time is not synced yet, but now we've got a bit more information about the light itself. There's our time, just got updated, and I'll refresh, and that's it. Now we still have all the same effects and everything, but now we've also got an audio reactive button, and we don't have any microphones on these lights, so I don't think this does anything right now. But if I had another device feeding into it that did have a microphone, I think it would work. So now let's go ahead and take a look at our other lights. This number on the side will tell you what version of software it's running. So all of these are running version 14.4. Okay, so let's just go to the next one at the top, which is going to be number 3. Go check its info out, and we are on 14.4. Let's go ahead and update the LED. We don't need to download it because we already have a copy downloaded. Okay, so let's take a look at what's different. We've got version 15.3 here. Let's grab an instance list and grab a different version here. So this is an older operating, or older firmware rather. Let's jump over here to number 5. Okay, and I'm looking at everything in PC mode, so it gives us all the screens at once as opposed to mobile mode. This light happens to have some presets preloaded. So let's look at our info here. So this light is currently off, and it's sitting in a resting state. And in the resting state, it's pulling 150 milliamps. But if we go to another light, this is number 8 here, we'll see that it is only pulling 100 milliamps on the new firmware. So that's pretty awesome. We've also got a lot more information. This one has information about the MAC address, the file system, the environment, but now we also get clock size, flash size, and some of the other things as well. Right now it's showing an average FPS of 0 because we don't have any animations running. Let's see what happens if we run an animation. Let's go ahead and sync this to everybody, and we'll throw Android on. Now, if we go back to info, this is showing that we're running 41 frames per second at around 250 milliamps. This one, it's about the same. I discovered a small glitch in which syncing is not working now. But it did work on the first light I tested, and the only thing I did different was I did a full reset on that first light. So I'm going back through some of the settings here on our sync interfaces, and I think I found the problem. So everything is the same from side to side until we get down to send. And we'll see over here that we've got send notifications on direct change and send notifications on button press or IR. So we're going to turn both of those on, and we're going to turn off this hue. And now everything else matches up. And there's nothing else that we need to change. And once I do this, now this light will control all of them. So for whatever reason, I have to go and change that on every light in my group.